Hello and welcome to the Savvy Gadgetz channel with me, Ian, otherwise known as Ven, and this tutorial for Shotcut. Now, this tutorial has come about because one of my friends who I was talking to basically said that they were editing videos on their mobile phone and wish they could do it on their PC. So, this is for them, and if you find this useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It supports my channel for absolutely nothing. It's free, and it only takes a second. Now, okay, so in your browser of choice, go to the search bar and type in Shotcut. That's Shotcut, and it brings up this, and it's shotcut.org that you're interested in. Go to the download page, or go to the home page, click download here or download here. Takes you to the download page, and then pick the version of Windows that you're on. I'm going to go for Windows installer here, and that will start off the download process. There it goes. You can see it coming down right there, and it should end up in your downloads folder. There it goes. So then what you can do is double click on it, and it'll say, yep, we're going to do a setup, and it is a case of going next, and doing all of that, and just go install, and it will install on your computer. Okay, so Shotcuts are now installed. I have an icon on my desktop, or you'll find in your start menu, like the cute dogs. Open up Shotcut. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a short because that was what the person I was talking to specifically wanted to do. So what we're going to do is going to give it a name. We're going to call it demo. And we're going to change the video mode to social media. And we're going to go for vertical HD 60 FPS. And we're going to start. Okay. So we're then going to drag in a media. So this is a video that I did, which I haven't uploaded or done anything with. And you can see instantly, as I've dragged it over here to the playlist, there's a problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust that problem. We're going to solve it. So with this selected, what we're going to do is we're going to add a filter. And we're going to click on the filters tab. We're going to go plus, and we're going to look for size, position, and rotate. And what that's going to do is going to put this box over the screen where it is, and we need to drag that out to the corner. So what we'll do is we're going to drag that little box out there until it's sort of up the top, so there's no black borders. And then same thing here, like so. And you can reposition it with this, so if you wanted a bit more of a view over there or a bit more of a view over here, that's what we're going to do. We're just going to keep it central, and I'm going to take a section of this, because shorts can only be up to a minute long, so I need to edit this video to be only a minute long. So I'm going to drag it into the playlist down here, into the timeline, and then what I can do is I can then cut out the first few minutes, or the first whole minute. In fact, what I'll do is I will take, not that much, because there's a lot of video though. I will take the first 30 seconds, which is just there. So I will move that to 30 seconds, and then I will hit this split at playhead, which is what that white line is. And so I now have two videos. So I can take this section and delete it. So now I have a 30-second video that shows the content that I want. And now I can export it. And I can export the video. I'm just going to put it in there. And away it goes. It will process that into a file. Okay, so the processing is completed. I should now have in that folder a video called demo. If I open it, and then okay, so here we are in War Dogs, and what? Let's shut it down. And here you can see it's in vertical mode. You can see that it's the right for, there you go, it's right for a short. So when you've got that, you upload it to YouTube. So go to YouTube, and here's one I prepared earlier. When you upload it, you have to add the hashtag shorts in the description. It can be in the title as well, and then it will end up in the right place. It will end up in the shorts area. So there it is. Those are the shorts that I've created in the past. Right, and it's as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been useful to you. If it has, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Helps me out immensely and supports my channel. Don't forget, I do a live stream Sundays, 1 o'clock GMT.